Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Doylestown or 14 miles southwest of Akron, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kenton, Massillon, Barberton, Green, Alliance, North Canton, Louisville, Minerva, Doylestown, Hartsville, Brewster, Navarre, Dalton, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Lewis, New Franklin, Canal Fulton, East Canton, and Clinton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Stark, Summit, and Wayne.
Wait, you went to Gulag while I was gone?
This is no...
Yes! Random SPR!
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe
I need to pull up Pittsburgh now.
Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, western Van Angle County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Campbell, or 8 miles west of New Castle, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Castle, Hermitage, Sharon, Grove City, Franklin, Shermanville, Cedar, Farrell, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Oakwood, New Castle Northwest. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 104 and 132. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 38. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 14. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence, Mercer, and Van Angle.
Hi. Mario.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southern Van Angle County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, west central Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grove City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Oil City, Grove City, Clarion, Knox, Slippery Rock, Seneca, Harrisville, Parker, Plain Grove Township, Sligo, Inlenton, Clintonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 108 and 119. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 64. This storm has a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. This is no...
Tornado warning!
The urgent weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, north central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Dude, I just died in the Gulag because of tornado warning! Came through! A king!
Producing a tornado was located over Grove City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Mercer, southwestern Venango, and north central Butler counties, including the following locations: Cherry Valley, Kennardville, Clintonville, Barkerville, and Harrisville.
This is my third tornado warning.
The forecast for